Where there is a will, there is a way. कितनी सही कहावत है ना, जहाँ चाह है वहाँ राह है। हम भी अगर किसी चीज को चाहते हैं तो हम ढूंढ लेते हैं रास्ते कि हमें वो कैसे मिलेगा, कैसे पाएंगे हम उसे। सो in today's world, it's very important to be socially active. And you know what is the most important point? In our family, we don't get those kind of opportunities which we got from the other peoples or other persons. So it's very important that we must know the art of talking, the art of conversation, the art of connecting with other person. It's really very important. So today I'm going to tell you, to give you some tips which can improve your conversation, which can improve the way you talk to other peoples, or the most important thing that the people who shy to talk to any stranger will give you a little bit confidence that yes, I can talk to anybody. So it's very important to talk to strangers. There are a lot of benefits of that, and I don't think that I need to tell you about these things, because in our interview, when there are a lot of strangers, and if we are comfortable with them, definitely we get that job. So it's really very important that we must know the art of talking to other peoples. So today I'm going to tell you some tips. The first tip is, whenever you talk to any person, please make a eye contact. It's really very important. You know, when I'm talking to you and then I'm just looking here and there and just telling you the things, what do you think? That she might be not interested in me, and she might have some other thing to do most important than me. I'm not that important that she is not engaged with me, so you are not going to talk to me, or you are not going to next time come to me, right? So whenever you talk to anybody, that you are giving that time now, so please just be engaged with them. It's really very important, and it will make your conversation really very interesting, which is the most important point. And the second point is, you are not taking any interview, okay? So don't ask such GK questions. Please just avoid it, because you know, when someone talks to me and just asks these kind of questions, I'm like, I don't know, I know this answer or not, is I'm correct or not. Please don't let them in these kind of dilemma. Please, just it's a social gathering, okay? So you just talk with a little fine light questions, like what is your name? Yes, your name is really very good. Where are you from? Okay, don't ask too rude questions or too tricky question or hard questions, because they make them uncomfortable, okay? And the third tip, which is really very important, is don't give advice. You know, we are living in India, and what is our priority? We are just giving anybody any kind of advice, just free of cost. So please just avoid it. The people who is sharing his or her problem with you, they don't want any advice. They just want to share so that they can connect with you, okay? So it's very important, don't give advice, because they are living in that kind of particular problem, so they know better than you are. Okay, so please don't give advice. It makes you superior and them lower. So nobody wants that. He's giving me advice, she is giving me advice, what she thinks of herself or himself, this kind of thing happening in their mind. So it's very important, please don't give advice. Just listen to them, because you are in this conversation just to listen, okay? Active listening is really very important. You just talk to them, just listen to them, because they just want a person who is going to listen them. It's really very important. You know, I have a great friend, which is Manju. She just did nothing. She just heard whatever the other person is saying, so that she get those knowledge from them, those experiences from them, which she didn't live in that particular life, but getting those knowledge, she has experienced that also. So it's very important just to listen to others. They make them really very comfortable, very friendly. So it's very important. And Manju have thousands of friends. Why? She is not giving anyone any kind of advice. She just listen to them, and they make their bonds really very strong. So next time what we are going to do, just listening to them. It's very important. You know, everyone wants to be listened, because in today's world everyone is just running, giving orders and these kind of things. But if we find someone who is just listening to us, it's the best thing that one have. So the third point is, you should have a good listener, active listener. And the most important point, whenever we are talk to any stranger, we have that kind of you can say parroting. Yes, parroting trick works with everyone. Like, you don't have the topic that what I'm going to tell with the strangers, and what kind of conversation, we won't have common topic. So what we can do, just parroting, like, what is your name? Okay, great name. What does it mean? Or like he or she said ki I watch this kind of series or watch this kind of shows. So you just ask, okay, this kind of shows, oh, is it really good? So you just parroting whatever they said, you just have to repeat it. Okay, wow, interesting. So they are just going on, and the longer you talk to with them, the stronger your bond will be with them. So it's very important just to listen them. Parroting works for me a lot of times. Like, I don't know him, but I said just, okay, you are coming from that show. Which kind of show? Okay. Oh, really? Is that really great show? Wow. So what is in that show? You just have to continue that process, and he or she will going to reveal everything. So it's very important, and I think parroting works for me most of the time. So just summarize what we are going to talk with strangers. First, parroting, not going to ask just so hard or means useless questions. Being interesting in them, genuinely interesting in them, listening them actively, eye contact, which is most important thing. And the best thing, which that whenever we talk to a stranger, we find good stories. Yes, they have their different stories, we have our different stories, we got these kind of experiences, and it's really very, very important in our lives, so that we get those kind of experiences in our life, which kind of life we won't live. So thank you very much, friends. I hope you love this video, you got so many knowledge from this video, and next time your communication skill will be effectively improved. So thank you very much, friends. Wish you wealth.